Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program 2013 Kia Soul key fob. Start by closing all doors and placing the key in the ignition in the OFF position. Next, press and hold the lock button on the working fob while turning the ignition to ACC, then back to OFF as instructed for your vehicle. Stay calm and follow each step slowly to avoid resetting previous fobs and to ensure success. Begin with the key in the ignition and cycle ACC and OFF positions exactly as specified to enter programming mode, then listen for a door lock confirmation. When locks cycle, press the lock button on the new fob and hold until you hear another confirmation, which indicates successful programming. If programming fails, remove the key and restart the sequence, checking battery and proximity to the vehicle for better signal strength. If you're enjoying this guide, please hit like and subscribe, it really helps. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading while you wait during programming or service, and it's lightweight to carry into the garage. I find it handy for following longer manuals without draining my phone battery. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. If the fob does not program, try swapping in a fresh battery and repeating the sequence slowly and deliberately, ensuring doors remain closed. Check for interference from phones or chargers and keep them away during programming attempts, as strong signals can disrupt the process. If repeated attempts fail, a quick visit to a locksmith or dealer can verify whether the fob is defective or if the vehicle needs a diagnostic reset to accept new remotes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.